All right, Jarrett here with Alliance IT, and another tech tip for you. As an end user, there's things that us as techs will ask you at times when trying to troubleshoot. We don't always have access to your PC. For instance, let's say your internet's down, or you're a new client, or whatever the case may be. You got a new PC. We need to gather some information for you. I'm going to show you how to quickly find those things, such as your computer name, your public IP, and your local IP. Those are probably three things that we may need to know when doing some troubleshooting. So a couple of ways that you can find that, probably the quickest. If you go to your start menu in Windows 10, you just kind of hover your mouse. If you actually right click, there's what we refer to as the secret start menu. Let me go ahead and do that again. So if I left click, which is your typical thing that you do with your mouse, you left click to select something, my start menu pops up, right? And here's all of my applications, and I can scroll and pick stuff. If I right click instead, I get this shortcut, quick sort of link to things such as settings, file explorer, search run. I can shut down system. System's the one here that I want you to actually go to. That'll pull up this window, and that'll tell us our PC name. Right here on the main thing where it says about, here it's giving you some quick details. And then if you scroll down to device specifications, right here, device name, this one is called Conference PC. So a lot of times we're trying to figure out which computer you're on in the list of computers that we have for your particular company, and we may ask, hey, what's your computer name? And a lot of times people don't know that. It's not something that you need to know on a daily basis, but this is how you can get to it. Right click, system, this window will pull up, and device name is listed right there. The next thing that we ask for occasionally is your public IP. This is actually something that you can just Google, what's my IP? But I like to just tell people to go to ipchicken.com, and people say, IP what? And I said, ipchicken.com. And it's real. See, ipchicken.com. There's an IP address. Anyways, ipchicken.com will automatically detect wherever you're coming from publicly, and that can be something that a technician may want to know. The other thing is we'll want to know your local IP address occasionally, and there's a few ways that you can do that. This icon that I'm hovering over right now, this is your network icon. You can right click on that and select Open Network and Internet Settings. This will take us to this page where it shows us our status. We're connected to the internet. There's a bunch of different options we can select on. What we're going to do is change adapter options. That'll take us to our normal, what we used to recall scene, the normal control panel view. This other view here is the new Windows 10. We're going to give you all new menus and confuse you view. Anyways, if you just double click on this, on your primary adapter, most people will only have one. We have 4 here for different reasons, but on your PC, if we were asking you this, most likely you're only going to have a single option to click on. Otherwise, your tech can tell you which one to pick on. From there, you can just select on details, and you will have an IP address. IPv4 address is the address that we're typically looking for, and we'll be able to direct you to it. So there's a couple of quick bits of information that your technician may ask you, or even if you're at home and you're trying to work with like a Comcast or Frontier or Bright House or Spectrum, any one of those companies, if you're just trying to work with somebody remotely, those might be pieces of information that they'll ask for you. Have a good day.